Okay, the next step is to locate this packet correctly in the sandwich layers of MDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my square. I kind of cut this line. I kind of missed the center line here, but it doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do is I've got somewhat of a straight edge. I'm going to take my square and go to the point, and I'm going to put a square line there. Draw it down here too, like this, so I have that. I'm now going to transfer that to this piece here. I'm going to lay that on there about there, and take my pencil, put a mark there, come over here, hang that over, and get that reference line there. So that is now the reference line for that. What I'm going to also do is now take my dimension from here. That's 3/8 on this end. I'm going to put a little mark at 3/8 on this end, right there, and I am go about here. That is 9/16. Actually, we'll call it 5/8. 5/8. I'm putting another mark here. Okay, now we'll do is connect those lines. Okay, those lines there, and we're going to connect that line like that. So we just have a reference. And now, basically, what we can do is do this. So we can mirror this. Okay, that's going to be our top piece. The bottom piece now, we can take and just transfer these. This little layout, the corner here, right to there. Okay, and we're good. So now we know where that point is starting, and it's going to go flush with the edge. So I'm going to put this mark right here in line with my line. I'm going to flush it up here. This part is going to go right there, like that. And we're basically going to just take it like that. We're lined up with our marks. We're pretty close. I can slide this back a little bit. Okay, we're lined up with our marks now. And now we're going to go ahead and staple it. And where we're going to staple it together is away from the, because you're going to cut this out in the bandsaw. We're going to put a staple here. We're going to put a staple here. Staple here. Staple here, staple here, and staple in the pack, which is right here. So that's where we're going to go put these 6 staples here. You don't need to see me do that, but I'm going to go do that right now.